Hi sir, my name is Satiswara Rao. This is the low pass silent key. This is for the assignment sir. So this is the schematic diagram for the low pass silent key. So for the AC swap, the graph also look like this sir. As can see in my report, same as my report. For now is going to change the input frequency set for 100. So now I change for the 100 hertz. Then it look like this then second is change for 500 hertz. And it look like this then third change for 10 kilohertz. Then it look like this so the input waveform and the output waveform is the input, the graph quite lot of different, the amplitude, the size of amplitude, the size of the wave. So now going to change for the second part. That one is for change for the clock. Starting for 100 hertz. Then set for 500 hertz. Oh no. Then set for 10 kilohertz. That's all sir. Thank you sir.